Hi Chia, how are you? This is Michael. I saw that you had a question on the discussion board, so I figured I'd give you a video response. So I see here your question was using a method of a class without instantiating it. So the question really was, I see you're using the NSJSON serialization .json object with data, but we didn't instantiate it from the class. Why not? Very good question. So let me answer that for you. There are three types of methods. There are instance methods, class methods, and static methods. Now in this particular one, it's called a class method. So let me show you. If we go over to the code and go into Xcode, and as you can see here, if you go over and hit the command key and hold down the command and go over where it says JSON object with data and just click it. As you can see down over here, right here, see where it says public class function JSON object with data? This means that this is a class method. And in order to access a class method, you don't need to instantiate an object from the class. All you do is enter the class name dot the method name. All right, and another type of method is called a static method. And a static method is the same thing, except the static method you cannot override. All right, and in a class method, unless it had a final in front of the method, you could override the class. And of course, what you're used to is the instance methods, which we covered a lot in object-oriented programming, is where we created our class, we instantiated an object from that class, and then we used that class dot whatever methods belong to the class, and that's what we call an instance method. Now, if you go over to the discussion boards, let me show you right here. And to go over the QA up here, you'll see there's a Leon, actually, another of our students. I'll go over here to the overriding methods in Swift and click on that. And right here, he has a link. He wrote a really nice article on LinkedIn that talks all about this. So I'd recommend going over there. Just click on that, and it kind of explains the instance methods, static methods, and class methods. So very good question. If you have any additional questions, or any follow-up on it, please just respond there, and I'll get back to you right away. And on that note, continue on with the class. I know you just joined us, so welcome aboard. I look forward to hearing about some of the APIs that you might decide to use in the challenges, and introduce yourself to the community, because discussion boards are not just for questions; they're also there to collaborate and work. And so I will talk to you soon. Take care.